What's up guys, welcome back here with another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, which was released a few months ago, and after getting One UI 6.1 update, how's the performance and the camera quality of the device. We will find out each and everything, and as well as I will let you know whether you should buy this phone or not. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about its build quality. The device has the Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front and back, and there is an aluminum frame which makes the device more premium. This device is a little bit heavier than the previous version of the Fan Edition because of the glass used on the backside. This device has 209 gram weight, which is not comfortable as compared to the S21 FE, but later you will be used to for this. This device has in-display fingerprint scanner which is fast and accurate, and as well as we can set up face lock to unlock the device. And this device does also have the IP68 dust and water resistant, which means we can use the device while raining outside, which is really a good thing. Design wise, it looks like the S23 and S23 Plus, but there is difference in the size. Display wise, it has 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate, and it does support HDR10, which enhances our watching experience. Display is as same as the S21 FE, but you can see the larger bezels on the screen as compared to the S21 FE. While using the device, it feels super smooth due to its 120Hz refresh rate. Watching experience on this device is good. The device is compact in hands, which is not so big and not so small. There are very few phones which comes in this size. Talking about its operating system, it comes with the Samsung One UI 6.1 with the Android 14. Best part of the One UI 6.1 update is that it has all the AI features enabled on this device, which comes with S24 series. It is much optimized to use in day-to-day life. It is very fast and feels smooth while scrolling apps to app. The app opening time is also very fast. It feels fast and smooth while using the device, and there is no any lags and jittering can be noticed while using. This device does have the Samsung DeX option to use your phone as the PC. Right now you can see here I'm using my S23 FE as the desktop computer. This is the best feature of the Samsung devices I like the most, where you can use your phone as a PC. And even you can control all this system by using mouse and keyboard. Now let's talk about its camera section. It has a triple camera setup on the back side. The primary camera 50 megapixel with aperture f1.8, and it does support the OIS for the stable video recording. The secondary camera 8 megapixel telephoto 75mm lens with 3x optical zoom to capture portrait photo and video. The 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera with aperture f2.2. From the back camera, it can record the video up to 8K at 24 fps and 4K at 60 fps with the HDR10 Plus. Talking about the front selfie camera, it has the 10 megapixel camera with aperture f2.4. The video from the front camera can record up to 4K at 60 fps, which is really good for the vlogger to record the 4K video. The video quality of this device is really awesome and have the good color balance, HDR and the dynamic range. It looks smooth switching the lens while recording the video. Right now you can see the cinematic video captured by this phone, and it looks great. The edge detection, bokeh effect is well managed. Now look at some portrait photos. You will notice that the image quality of the device is really good, and edge detection, dynamic range are also well managed. The image looks like captured by the DSLR camera. Now have a look at some other photos. These are captured by using different lenses. And as you can see, there is no such difference in the colors and dynamic range while capturing with ultra wide, wide and telephoto lens. Photos and videos captured by this phone is really nice, and no any complaints regarding its camera quality. It comes with Exynos 2200 processor, which is based on 4nm. This device has 8GB RAM, and there is an option to increase the RAM capacity by using virtual RAM up to 8GB. and it has the 128 GB storage capacity. There is another variant too, which comes with 256 GB storage capacity, and these are based on the UFS 3.1. If we talk about its Antutu score and Geekbench result, it gives the score of 11 lakh, which is not so high but comparatively good. And while doing the test, it drains the 7% battery and 11 degree of temperature where it reached. And we check the result of Geekbench, it shows the score of 1606 in single core and 4004 in the multi-core. By the way, I don't believe in these scores and numbers. The real test will begin while playing heavy games. First of all, let's check it out the graphics setting that we get from this device in different games. In Call of Duty Mobile, this device supports the graphics setting up to 60 FPS only. And now, let's check it out on the PUBG Mobile. We can play PUBG in smooth with 60 FPS and max graphics with 40 FPS, but it does not have the 90 FPS option. I have already played the games for many times, but right now I have tested for the particular time to test the heating and battery drain test. And on the screen you can see the FPS meter and the temperature to find out the gaming experience and FPS fluctuation. While starting the games, right now you can see the times it's 1:27 PM and it has the 88% of battery. First of all, we will start testing by playing COD Mobile.
Revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Enemy eliminated. Enemy down. Enemy eliminated.
Now I have finished my first games on the battleground on COD Mobile, and now I am switching to PUBG Mobile and I am testing on the multiplayer. You can see the FPS and temperature on the screen.
Reloading! Enemy down!
The blue team is unstoppable! Half of the match is over, and the blue team is in the lead. The blue team has scored for the first time!
No mercy! One down!
I have played the games for around 45 minutes and now you can see on the screen that it has the 72% battery, which means it consumes the battery of 16% for the 45 minutes of the gameplay. And I think this is not the good battery consumption at this price range of phone for the gaming. This device has the 4500 mAh battery that will last for one day as a normal user, but if you are a heavy user then you may get the around 5 hours of screen on time. This device supports the 25 watt of PD 3.0 charger, as well as it does have the wireless charging system and reverse wireless charging system to charge other mobile and accessories. Finally, the conclusion is yes, you can really have this phone at this time, but remember, if you are planning to buy this phone only for the purpose of the gaming, then I think this is not the perfect phone for you. But if you are planning to buy this phone only for the purpose of the camera and vlogging, then this could be the best phone for you. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching. Take Shrestha.